Your dancer has to wear stockings, but you can't seem to get them on without ripping. Here's an exact how-to right here on the Beginner Dance Mom's Guide. First, I'm going to explain the difference between stockings and pantyhose. Yes, they're both pink. No, they're not both danceable. Stockings are very thick and you cannot see through them. Pantyhose are very thin. Not only can you see through them, there's always a telltale ribbing right here that will show underneath their costumes. Yuck. Go for the stockings. Block, Capezio, these are dance brands that you should look for. Hi, I'm Jazzy, and this is
Gigi.
And this is the Beginner Dance Mom's Guide. Gigi is 5, and not only am I her dance mom, I'm also a dance teacher, so I know a little bit about a lot of things. Today, I want to show you exactly how to put on those stockings. First, we are going to reach our thumbs down into the leg of the stockings and pull towards our wrist. We're not going to grab, we're not going to push, we're just going to reach and slowly pinch, if that makes sense. Once you've got it all rolled up, you're going to get your dancer to push directly down into the floor through the seams so that you can pull without tearing. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Careful not to pull too high. You should only go to about the knees on the first foot. Reach for the seam. Reach for the seam and push to the floor. After that, it's a snap. You just pull. If you found this information useful, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification button. Bye!